This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sarah Uber. Be ready to fall in love. This like-new home in the coveted Benn's Grant subdivision welcomes you to resort-style living with neighborhood pool, clubhouse, playground, and walking paths. With its low-maintenance exterior and light-filled interior, you won't want to miss it. The hardwood floors on the first level lead you to the beautiful stone fireplace overlooking your chef's kitchen, featuring eat-in kitchen and dining area. Don't miss all of the flexible living space in this exquisite home, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and well as large family room over the garage, great for an additional 5th bedroom, movie theater, home office, or activity/school/craft space. No details were overlooked when building this home, which features a tankless hot water heater, is ENERGY STAR certified, and within walking distance to the neighborhood amenities. Convenient commute to both work, school, and shopping/dining. Don't miss this spectacular home. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Uber at 757-220-9500.